Good morning, y'all. Today is Tuesday, October 11th. Yeah. I used this like teeny bonnet. I don't know why I did, but it's 7:30 and I gotta get it going. So first, I'm gonna pack up my backpack real quick and put my laptop in there. Come here. Sit.
Is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think.
Okay, yeah, so I know I need some more proper cute gym clothes, but this is the fit for today. Okay, we're giving a little bit of body. So I think I'm gonna start my workout. I don't know. I really want to do these Peloton bikes. But I think I'm going to do the Stairmaster. I have seen so many TikToks of people doing Stairmaster workouts. And I really want to do it. Like, just really start and pump your girl up. Pump it up. They got TVs in here too, y'all. Like, I don't know why I'm using this. But it's cute. It says rise and grind. All right. Let's get this started. All right. So I'm going to do the Stairmaster for at least, like, 20 minutes. I might hike up how fast it's going. But your girl is already breathing hard. Your girl is already breathing hard. And I accidentally started my Apple Watch way after I started working out. So, as you can see. But yeah. I'll check back with y'all in like 30 minutes. Just finished working out. I gotta run to the store because we're out of a couple of things. And, yeah. Your girl is tired. I think I worked out an hour because it's 6:13. I left like work and clocked out at like 5:15. So I'm tired. Hello. What's good? What's up? Whew, y'all. When I tell you I'm tired. And I don't like the way the front of my hair came out this morning, but I was rushing. Whew, that workout, baby. I only burnt like 250 calories. And I worked out for like an hour. But my body is tired. I gotta cook dinner at 7 o'clock. My husband won't be home until like, he's a basketball coach too, you guys, in case I didn't say that in a previous, which I feel like I did. I think I have a vlog where he's coaching the game. But he won't be done until 9. So I got some time for dinner. Ooh. So this is before I went to the mall. I had ordered some jewelry for myself because I've been telling y'all like I need jewelry, like just really earrings. I want some bracelets too. Comment down below like some cute bracelet companies or whatever. It could be small business, it could be big business, it could be whatever. I think I like what are they called? They're like the bracelets everyone was wearing. Like there's some silver ones, some gold ones, and they're like bangly kind of. I don't know what they're called. Well, no, I'm gonna send these back. So I got me some silver hoops because I don't have any silver hoops. And look how small they are. They're just too small. So I got some studs. So these I will keep. I got some like silver, they're fake, y'all. I got some silver studs off of Amazon. Now these I will keep. Because I swear, like, I'll buy stud earrings and then lose them. There's some teeny ones. More teeny ones, but that'll be good for my second piercing. And some, like, medium, like, bigger ones. Sorry, you can't really even see them. And then big ones. And they come with, like, the, what are these, like, the silicone backs, but they also come with silver backs. Yeah. I ordered a pizza cutter because we eat a lot of pizza in this house, and we don't have a pizza cutter, like frozen pizza sometimes. When I'm, like for me, because I work a lot during close week, I don't have time to cook. And then, you know, like how guys, they'll just be like, oh, I'll just make a sandwich. And because he's my husband and I want him to eat something like better than just a sandwich, I'll cook. Or I'll just put in a frozen pizza. But we don't have a pizza cutter. We don't have a pizza cutter. So I got this pizza wheel. You could like cut with it, but you can also put the safety on. And to dishwash it, you can like unclip this top part and then put this in the dishwasher. So that's pretty cool. I got that. And then I got these, which I think my husband needs some of these too. But they're bookmarks. Actually, he might not like the hearts. I'll get him his own. But they're bookmarks and they're magnetic. So like you put one side on one side of the page and then the other goes on the other side and then it's magnetic and it sticks, like, you know, clicks together. Because I have been using like pieces of mail as bookmarks. And then because I have my little at-home office set up now, which is where I'll be editing videos, and then where I'll be when I work from home and handling cold summer business stuff too. I got a little mouse pad. It's Dwight from The Office. I think that was like $7, but I got that. So let me show you what I've been using as my mouse pad, which I think you guys saw, but it's really bootleg and like ghetto. Hold on. Okay, so this is the work setup. I've been using Miss Tab from Target when she had her line collection at Target. They came with a free magazine. But now I have Dwight. Yeah. So I just got that just for my little office. Okay, so let me show you what I got from Publix. I was trying to get in and out, so I didn't record inside of Publix. I got 2 of these. These are buy one get one free right now, so I don't know if your Publix has it too. But yeah. Because these by itself are like $6 a piece, so I'm gonna get them free, babes. Some Oatly oat milk. I think I'm gonna start getting this oat milk instead of getting my little barista edition, at least for now, unless I buy it in bulk on Amazon. Because it's just cost effective just to pay like $5 for this big one, rather than me paying $4 for a small one that lasts like 2 days. Maybe 3, because remember I make lattes every day. So that little bottle lasts me like 2-3 days. Yeah, and then I got some almond milk because for protein shakes and smoothies. An aluminum pan, and I got some crushed tomatoes and tomato paste. So I'm making lasagna tonight, which I think I already said. But yeah, so I'm gonna start making that and hopefully have that in the oven by 7:45. In the meantime, because I did just come from the gym and I'm hungry as heck, I'm gonna make me a protein smoothie. Or a protein shake smoothie, whatever. We use frozen banana, almond milk, the protein powder, and some PB Fit. Make like a peanut butter, banana, vanilla, protein milkshake. I got my little NutriBullet cup, which I need to buy another NutriBullet cup because I only have one. I don't know what happened to the other one, but y'all, I've moved so many times. Like, it could be anywhere. All I know is, it's not with me. I'll tell you that right now. So I used 3 little pieces of banana. I'm just like eyeballing it. I'm really hungry. And I know this lasagna is not gonna be ready for like another, I don't like the way that almond milk was just coming out. But I know the dinner is not gonna, like, I think it has, like, it's a total of 1 hour and 20 minutes. So I think just the prep is like 20 minutes and then it has to be in there for an hour, which works because my husband won't be home until like 9:30, but I'm hungry. Oh, gonna throw some spinach in there too. Here, so I have milk, spinach, banana, protein powder, which I need to find a vegan vanilla protein powder. Let me know if you have a suggestion below, because I'm pretty sure this contains dairy and I don't want to consume a lot of dairy, but this is kind of the only dairy I consume besides eggs randomly, so I guess it's not that bad. I'm adding the peanut butter in for extra protein. That's what it looks like. Let's blend her up. I feel like it's not enough milk. Oh, it's not even plugged in, my dumbass. And this is my first time making this, like, this combination and everything. Okay. That's fire. This might be my new breakfast. That is actually really good. And I wouldn't lie to y'all. If that shit was ass, I'd be like, y'all, that shit was ass. Now I'm in a better mood to cook this dinner because this is bomb. I probably won't even eat any lasagna because I'm going to be full. I only got like 594 calories left for the day. And I need to put in this, which will probably be over my calories. So this is probably going to be my dinner. I might have like a small piece of lasagna, but that's it. Which, I mean, it's fine. It's fine. Okay. It's another 45 minutes. It's 9 o'clock. 9:06 to be exact. So this won't be done until 10. Yeah. I forgot that I didn't have mozzarella cheese, so I had to run to Winn-Dixie real quick. Run back home. Y'all, I'm tired. I'm really, truly tired.
Stop acting like a little bitch, baby.